Selanjutnya, get or have HIV or AIDS. Illness ya, penyakit. Kalau have an operation, kalau mau operasi berarti dia masuk ke pengobatan, jadi cures ya. Ini C deh, cures. Terus yang immunize against disease, kalau imunisasi dia ke metode ya, metode pencegahan. Reduce stress, ya. Sleep well, method ya. Method apa cure? Ya, oke. Stop smoking. Oh, this is page 68. Page 68 ya. Ini stop smoking apa di sini? Ya, take antibiotik. Cure ya. Yes. Take medicine sama. Cure. Olahraga, take up sport. Oke, method ya. Undergo surgery. Ini operasi bedah. Berarti dia masuk ke pengobatan kan? Cure. Oke. Supporting your statement and opinion. Statement and opinion need to be supported by facts, example, arguments. Complete sentence 1 until 5 with supporting information A to E. Jadi ini ada sentence. Wah, ini udah dikerjain ya, udah gak apa-apa. Yang pertama, contoh kalimatnya, eating a balanced diet is much better than taking medicine. Nah, supportingnya di sini, because you are preventing illness, not simply curing it. Jadi dia ngasih reason ya di situ supportingnya, facts. Terus yang kedua, I disagree with the idea of flu vaccinations. Nah, nomor 2, because in my experience they don't often work. Itu dia ngasih facts juga yang kedua. Yang ketiga, I believe that positive thinking can help you overcome illness, including cancer, as many studies of patients have proved this to be true. Dia ngasih contoh yang berupa fakta ya, yang ketiga ini. Yang keempat, many people think that reducing stress is the key to improving your health. Nomor 4 ke sini, as it reduces the chance of a heart attack. Dia ngasih contoh di situ. Nomor 5, it's generally believed that taking up sport is a good idea since it helps you lose weight and keeps you fit. Dia ngasih facts juga di situ. Jadi ini tadi kalimat pernyataannya, statementnya atau opini, lalu diikuti oleh detail atau supported sentence-nya. Ini supported sentence-nya ya, yang A, B, C, D, E. Oke. Uh, Now try to provide support for statement 1 until 5 here. Jadi coba dikasih tambahan sama contohnya kayak yang tadi ya. Bisa pakai because, bisa pakai as, because, bisa pakai since. Dengan kalimat sendiri coba ditulis di chat box aja.
probably that hoe. Let's see who can be the bigger hoe. Woman shouldn't be a gold digger. You should be. You should own that shit. Yeah, I am. As long as his relationships are fine, if you're okay with the fact that they're gonna have a secret girlfriend wherever they are. Okay, so he canceled the date. Men don't care if you have a kid. Men will date you even if you have a husband. Really hard. Men don't care if you have a kid. Men will date you even if you have a husband.
Halo, oke. Gimana? Butuh contoh kah? Atau sudah? On progress? Oh, butuh contoh. Misalnya nomor 1, it's more important to spend money on AIDS research than cancer research because the AIDS disease can be cured. Meanwhile, cancer is not curable. There's no medicine that can cure cancer. Jadi ngasih alasan gitu, ngasih supporting. Iya, bebas, terserah. Tapi masuk akal ya, yang make sense gitu.
Men don't care if you have a kid. Men will date you even if you have a husband. I'm sorry, all right? I'm sorry. I don't have any money. And I forgot.
What? What did you forget? That you love me?
Will you please get back in the car, please?
I don't want to hate you because you're poor, but right now I do, and it makes me hate myself.
You know how hard it is to make you happy. And I want you to be happy. I'm trying. I really am.
I know. And it's almost enough to make me happy. I wish that I didn't care if we ate from a halal cart on our 5-year anniversary, but I do. And however much you hate me, I promise I hate myself more.
I don't hate you.
You do. And it's not because we're not in love.
Undergo itu artinya mengalami.
I'm sorry, all right? I'm sorry. I don't have any money. And I forgot.
What did you forget? That you love me?
Will you Men don't care if you have a kid. Men will date you even if you have a husband. Really hard to respect a man that you have to pay for. If a man cares about how much money you make, he's scheming. If the man is insecure about you, he thinks that you are better than him. If a man is texting you all day long, that man's not busy enough. Only people that are mad about you or women in general being gold diggers are people that don't have any gold to dig. That's it. Don't ask men that haven't had a job in the last 5 years walking around talking about, I'm the prize, I'm the prize. How do we keep a man? Keep him? What do you mean? If he's drained, keep him so drained his head is just dizzy all the time. Can't focus on any one person. It doesn't make you more masculine to be like, I shouldn't have to pay for her nails. I shouldn't have to pay for my girl's dinner. That doesn't make you more masculine. That makes you a bitch. If you don't think you should provide for your woman, you should just date a man. He's out, not responding to your text, with God knows who, probably that hoe. Let's see who can be the bigger hoe. Woman shouldn't be a gold digger. You should be. You should own that shit. Yeah, I am. Hey, as long as his relationships are fine, if you're okay with the fact that they're gonna have a secret girlfriend wherever they are. Okay, so he canceled the date. Men don't care if you have a kid. Men will date you even if you have a husband.
Apa sih? Oke, I hope you are done ya. Sudah?
Sudah, Miss.
Coba nomor 2, what's your answer?
Wait, Miss.
Mm-mm.
Number 2, I think that smokers often have colds. I agree with that one, Miss.
Ini langsung aja
Oh, yang langsung jawab ya.
Iya, kayak ditambahin kalimat because atau
I think that smokers often have colds because maybe the cigarettes they yang dikeluarkan gitu loh, Miss. They exhale ya.
Mm-mm.
Exhale is inhale then through the nose.
Oke.
Jadi it enters through the nose. Sumbat gitu loh, Miss. There's something in your food.
ini bisa oke, bisa tapi kayak digampanginya gini, it lowers their immunity gitu loh. Karena mereka smokers, jadi imunitasnya itu berkurang gitu.
Sorry, Miss.
Ya bisa sih, tapi using your answer it also oke, bisa. Number 3. Siapa nih 3 yang mau jawab? Iya, boleh.
It's generally understood that senior people suffering a lot of stress as their activity reduce their relaxation.
Oh ya, boleh, bisa. Reduce their time to relax gitu ya. Number 4, Miss Sarah, coba. Have you done it? Waiting list to undergo surgery are too long because ini apa nih? Mr. Raja maybe?
Oh, nomor 4 ya mas.
Mm-mm.
Aduh, ini sulit ini. The waiting list, waiting list to undergo surgery happens in many hospitals in Indonesia.
Okay, because
This is very dangerous because if there are patients who should get priority,
ini bisa karena jumlah dokternya sedikit misalnya, jadi because the number of doctor is too low gitu.
is to be
Iya benar. Number 5 nih, siapa yang mau jawab? Coba number 5, Miss Rika or Miss Sarah? I believe that people who do not vaccinate their children are responsible because apa? Oh ya, oke. Mereka nggak punya kesadaran ya. They do not have awareness. Oke, boleh. Oke, let's continue to this text ya. Ini langsung aja. Jadi ada contoh nih 2 essay 1 sama essay 2. So which one is the which one is agree, which one is disagree essay? Essay 1?
of course agree mas.
Yeah, that's right. And essay 2, of course, disagree ya. You can see from this part, obviously. Nah, coba bisa dibaca terus identify arguments or points and the supporting detail for each statement. Jadi setiap argumennya atau setiap poinnya dilihat tuh ada detailnya apa. Jadi yang essay agree disagree misalnya gini ya, kan ditulis ulang di sentence 1, paragraph 1, tulis ulang judulnya. Tapi di parafrase. Misalnya kalau agree, as a non-smoker myself, I totally agree with this statement that smokers should pay for any treatment for smoking related illness. Bentar, ini pertanyaannya yang ini yang ini ya. Pertanyaannya ini. Some people should feel that smokers should not get free treatment for smoking related illnesses because they are knowingly harming themselves. Jadi beberapa orang merasa bahwa orang yang perokok itu harusnya tidak dapat pengobatan gratis untuk penyakit yang disebabkan oleh merokok karena mereka menyakiti dirinya sendiri. Nah, ini yang setuju dan ini yang tidak setuju. Kalau yang setuju kan ditulis ulang judulnya, terus menyatakan setuju, terus dia kasih pertanyaan, smokers know the risk of smoking, so why should society have to pick up the bill? Jadi kan orang yang perokok itu sudah tahu resikonya, terus kenapa masyarakat yang harus membayar tagihan kesehatannya itu? Terus dia kasih poin pertama, oke. Looking at the smokers' argument, they say that they should receive free health treatment like anyone else because they also pay taxes like everyone else. However, I don't think this argument is valid because they are using many more health services than non-smokers. Ini poin pertamanya, using many. Jadi smokersnya using many more health services than non-smokers, but they pay the same amount. Jadi merugikan ya karena mereka bayarnya sama tapi make pengobatannya lebih banyak. Smokers also say that they pay very high cigarettes taxes which covers the cost of higher health costs for smokers. I disagree with this too because in many countries people buy cigarettes on the black market at a very low price and so the government receive no money in taxes. Jadi para perokok itu ngomongnya mereka juga bayar pajak ketika beli rokoknya gitu. Tapi ini ada bantahannya lagi. Banyak orang yang beli rokok itu di black market. Nah, di situ kan lebih murah. Jadi tidak ada pembayaran untuk pajak untuk negara. Jadi 1, 2. Ini kan dia mengemukakan alasannya kenapa agree. Oke, terus paragraf selanjutnya, smokers are killing themselves and killing other people too. Smokers pay more for life insurance and health insurance to private companies. So it is fair that they also pay more for treatment in the public health service. In fact, they should be contributing to the healthcare of non-smokers too, as passive smoking cause major health problems. Ini kalimatnya menunjukkan bahwa para perokok itu harusnya bayar lebih karena mereka itu akan menggunakan lebih banyak health service-nya dan bahkan mereka bisa menyebabkan penyakit kepada non-smokers karena mereka ketika merokok itu membuat orang di sekitarnya menjadi perokok pasif yang bisa punya masalah kesehatan juga. Jadi ini poin ketiganya ya, seluruh paragraf ini. Terus yang terakhirnya, kesimpulan. To summarize, I would say that it is right that smokers pay extra for all the extra costs that they place on society. Dia menunjukkan benar gitu kalau perokok itu membayar lebih untuk healthcare-nya. Karena if smokers paid more money to cover their extra health costs, it would help smokers and the government karena itu akan membantu untuk pemerintah dan untuk para perokok itu sendiri. Unfortunately, it would not help non-smoker as we have to breathe in their smoke every day in bars and restaurants and at work. I think smokers should pay more taxes and the government should ban smoking in all public places too. Ini dia ngasih opini terakhirnya ya. Para perokok itu mereka ngerokok di bar, di restoran, di tempat kerja. Nah, ini adalah final opinion kenapa dia agree. Oke. Coba kita lihat yang disagree. Di sini yang disagree ditulis ulang kembali sama kasih pertanyaan lagi juga. Is it right for smokers to pay more while drug addicts and alcoholics receive expensive medical treatment free? Nah, di sini argumennya itu ngasih tahu kalau misalnya smoker doang yang disuruh bayar lebih, bagaimana dengan para pecandu narkoba dan alkoholik yang mendapat lebih mahal gitu pengobatannya, tapi mereka malah dapat gratis. Nah, di sini poin pertama untuk argumennya, anti-smoker think that smoker have chosen a dangerous lifestyle and should therefore not expect free health treatment paid for from general taxes. The problem with this argument is that we are making a judgment. Di sini poin pertamanya, kita terlalu ngejudge ya, terlalu gampang menilai about someone's lifestyle before we decide to give them free treatment or not. Ini argumen yang pertamanya. Do we refuse to give medical treatment to someone who has a car accident driving dangerously on the motorway without a seatbelt? Of course not. Ini kayak detailnya ya. Most reasonable people would argue that it is impossible to decide who has a dangerous lifestyle and who does not. Jadi inti dari poin pertamanya dia itu jangan menilai terlalu gampang lifestyle seseorang. Yang keduanya, smokers already pay a huge amount. Nah, ini yang kedua. Huge amount to the government every time they buy a packet of cigarettes through cigarettes taxes. Mereka bayar pajaknya lebih besar. Ini alasan keduanya. Inggris, ini detailnya. Inggris, for example, we pay for over 50% tax on cigarettes, which means that I pay €2 to the government for every packet of cigarettes I buy. The government uses some of that money to finance the health service. So why shouldn't I get free health treatment? I pay more money in taxes than a non-smoker, so I should get more from the health system. That is logical. Oke, jadi dia ngasih 2 poin ya. Terus kesimpulannya, in conclusion, I would say that it's very important that smokers are treated in the same way as other people. It's very dangerous to say that someone's right to free health treatment should be on the basis of their lifestyle. Ini berarti kesimpulan dia itu akhirnya diulang kembali, jangan menilai dari lifestyle seseorang untuk mau kasih free health treatment apa enggak gitu. Who is going to play God and decide whether a particular lifestyle is good or bad? Who is going to decide whether you should live or die? Jadi dia ulang kembali apa yang dia sampaikan, terus ditekanin lagi bahwa kita nggak bisa berperan sebagai Tuhan yang bisa menilai seseorang itu gaya hidupnya bagus atau enggak gitu. Siapa yang harus mati dan siapa yang harus hidup gitu. Oke, ini contoh esai agree, ini contoh esai disagree-nya. Oke, now both essays are organized in the same way. Match the paragraph A to D with the paragraph description. Jadi paragraf A ini fungsinya untuk apa? Briefly summarize your argument and re-emphasize your opinion. List your argument atau clearly, gini aja deh, yang memberikan kesimpulan secara singkat, briefly summarize your argument and re-emphasize your opinion, dan menekankan kembali opinimu ada di yang mana untuk nomor 1. Ngasih kesimpulan berarti yang mana? Paragraf A, B, C, or D? Ya, untuk yang ini dia nomor 1. Nomor 2-nya list your argument to support your opinion. Yang ngelist argument berarti yang A, B, or C. Yang kedua ya, B ya. Iya, bener. Jadi untuk list argumennya itu minimal 2, tapi boleh 3 juga ya. Terus clearly state your agreement or disagreement and rewrite original question in your own words. Berarti yang mana? Yang ini. Clearly agree or disagree-nya di pertama ya. Jadi yang A. Yang paragraf pertama itu clearly state your agreement or disagreement and rewrite the original question in your own words. Jadi yang parafrase pertanyaannya kembali itu. Nomor 4-nya briefly state the opposing argument and attack this position. Secara singkat memberikan argumen kebalikannya dan menyerang argumen tersebut. Berarti yang
C.
Iya, bener. Oke, jadi kayak gitu cara mengerjakannya ya. Pertama, ini clearly state your agreement or disagreement and rewrite the original question in your own word. Keduanya, list your argument to support your opinion. Setelah itu, briefly state the opposing argument and attack this position. Finally, briefly summarize your argument and re-emphasize your opinion. Jangan lupa ini fitur yang untuk menulis essay. Pertama, signpost words to indicate final paragraph. Jadi contohnya to summarize, to conclude, in summary gitu. Number 2, open question that supports your position. Open questionnya itu tadi yang di paragraf kedua. Yang ini. Pertama ya. Ini open questionnya. Jadi kayak membuat esainya itu lebih menarik untuk dibaca gitu. Question with answer that support your opinion, berarti jawabannya yang paragraf kedua tadi. Number 4, personal experience to support your opinion. Pengalaman pribadinya bisa dimasukin untuk menambah kekuatan opini. And then opposing an argument, jadi coba di brainstorm kira-kira kalau orang yang nggak setuju bakal mikir apa, terus di attack lagi, dijawab sendiri. Number 6, phrase to express agreement or disagreement with essay question. Jadi diparafrase lagi ya untuk pertanyaannya itu yang di depan. Oke. Coba kita latihan nulis lagi. Jadi topiknya governments around the world spend too much money on treating illness and diseases and not enough on health and education and prevention. Do you agree or disagree with this statement? Coba kita latihan buat parafrase judulnya dulu. Oke. Misalnya di sini kan government around the world spend too much money. Berarti bisa di sini a lot of funding. Lot of funding itu berarti kan too much money. Terus a lot of funding has been spent a lot of funding has been spent by the government to treat treatnya diganti cure misalnya, to cure disease and sickness but a lot of funding has been spent by the government to cure diseases and sickness, but not enough on healthcare, but gini aja ya, diganti government spend a lot of funding to cure disease. Government spend a lot of funding to cure diseases and sickness, but are lacking in prevention. Bahasa lainnya apa ya? Prevention, synonym, okay. Government spend a lot of funding to cure disease and they are lacking in avoiding them and but are lacking in avoiding them and giving health knowledge misalnya. Nah, terus langsung di state whether you agree or disagree. I agree or disagree with this. Terus diungkapin kenapa gitu. Jadi ini contoh parafrase awalnya ya. Oke, lanjut. Tadi udah selesai nih. Jadi contoh parafrasenya itu kalimatnya cari aja sinonimnya. Misalnya tadi too much money. Di sini kan too much money jadi a lot of funding. Terus treating illness jadi cure disease and sickness. Terus apalagi not enough on health education, lacking in avoiding them and giving health knowledge. Jadi kalau cara parafrasenya lagi tinggal diketik aja, misalnya education sinonimnya apa, bisa dicari di Google gitu. Oke. Kalau mau bikin parafrase sendiri juga boleh, tapi kalau mau pakai ini juga boleh. So, ini tugas hari ini ya. Write an argument whether you agree or disagree with this statement. Use your own idea, knowledge, experience to support your arguments with example and relevant evidence. You should write at least 250 words. Do you have any question for this?
No questions, Miss.
Oke. Iya, tugas sekarang. Oke.
Oh, sekarang
Sekarang ya.
kerjanya di mana, Miss?
Di Google Doc as usual.
Oh, oke, Miss.
Oke.
Harus diparafrase dulu judulnya, Miss ya.
Pakai yang ini aja juga boleh. Mau diparafrase sendiri boleh.
Oke.
Mm. Miss Rika, do you have any questions?
Oke, no, Miss.
Oke, yaudah, good luck. That's all for the Google Meet. Boleh dikerjakan ya. Oke, ini dimatikan aja Google Meet-nya.
Okay, when we done, just info in WhatsApp.
Iya, when you are done just info on WhatsApp aja. Oke,
Oke. Makasih, Miss.
you're welcome. Thank you.